In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name record in Hostinger. This is the perfect video for those of you managing your own websites and needing to update or configure domain settings. Let's dive right in and walk you through every step of adding a name record. Firstly, start by logging into your Hostinger account. If you're not already familiar with your Hostinger dashboard, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly. Once you're logged in, look for the Hosting option, usually found in the main navigation bar. Click on this option to reveal a list of your hosted domains. Next, locate the domain for which you want to add the name record. Click on the Manage button associated with that domain. This action takes you to a page filled with various domain management settings. Now, focus your attention on the sidebar, where you'll find a section titled DNS Zone Editor. Click on this link. Once you're in the DNS Zone Editor, you will see an Add New Record button. Click it, and it will prompt you to choose which type of DNS record you need. Since we're adding a name record, you'll need to select the Name option from the record types. You'll now see fields that need to be filled out to create your name record. First, under the Name field, enter the subdomain that you want to point somewhere else. Keep in mind, this is the part that comes before your primary domain name. For instance, if you want to redirect blog.example.com, you'd enter blog in the name field. Moving forward, you'll see a field labeled Points To. Here, you'll need to input the domain that you want your subdomain to point to. Double-check to make sure that this address is correct, as any mistakes can lead to connectivity issues on your website. Finally, you might see another field labeled TTL, which stands for Time to Live. This setting dictates how long a record is cached on either your server or a user's local device. The default usually works fine, so if you're not sure, it's best to leave it as is. After you've filled out all the required fields, verify all the information you've entered. Once everything looks good, click the Add Record button to finalize your new name entry. This new record should now be visible in your list of DNS entries. And there you have it. You've successfully added a name record to your domain in Hostinger. Remember, DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so be patient. Issues should clear up within a few hours, but it can sometimes take up to 48 hours for changes to fully update across the internet. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like covered in future videos, please feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, happy hosting!